How to use Alibaba's Request for Quotation RFQ tool. Tired of searching for suppliers one by one? This guide shows you how to use Alibaba's Request for Quotation tool so you can get quotes from a lot of suppliers at once. First, go to Alibaba website or app and look for the RFQ tool. This is a great way to let suppliers come to you instead of you looking for them. Just fill in the form and all the details about your product. Go to My Alibaba and scroll right here until you see Request for Quotation. Let's click on Get Quotations. To get the best quotes, you should be very detailed in your RFQ. Provide all the information about the product, like the size, color, material, and quality. You should also upload a picture of the product to show the suppliers what you want. Once you submit your RFQ, you'll start to get quotes from suppliers. You can then compare the prices, the MOQs, and all the suppliers' profile to find the best supplier for you. You can then contact the supplier and start the conversation. You now know how to use the RFQ tool. Get ready to get a lot of quotes and find the best supplier for you. Like and subscribe for more business tips.